Integrating your Cengage Learning content into eLearn is a very simple process. So I have a Desire to Learn demo account that I have up on the page. It may look a little bit different than Sinclair's eLearn platform, but the process for integrating content is the same. So what I've done is I'm in one of my courses, and I'm going to go ahead and navigate over to the course builder. And this is how I'll go about adding in my Cengage Learning resources. So here I have my outline of content. And all I'm going to do is drag the Cengage Learning logo into the area where I want to add content. So what our integration allows you to do is kind of intermingle the Cengage Learning content with your own content that you already have within the course. And that way the content is sitting side by side for your students, and they don't have to bounce around to a variety of different locations to access their course materials for that particular chapter or topic. So I'm going to start by adding in some Chapter 1 resources. So I'm just going to drag my Cengage Learning icon into Chapter 1. And this is going to bring up my content source menu. So I'm in a demo account, so I have a bunch of different courses here, but I'm just going to go into the course that I've linked. So this will show me my Pastorino course. I'm simply going to click on the link for Pastorino MindTap. And this is going to show me a list of everything that's included within Pastorino's MindTap. So there's a couple of different ways that you can choose to integrate the content. You could add just one link that would take the student out to MindTap and allow the student to navigate as they like. Secondly, you could add a link to a particular chapter, and that would take the student to all of that chapter's resources within MindTap. Or you can get a little bit more granular and create links that take students to specific content items within MindTap. And that's what I'll show you here. So I'm within Chapter 1, and what I'm going to do is go ahead and open up my Chapter 1 resources. And here I'm going to add in a link for my mastery training. And you'll notice that here's where you can decide if the grade for this item should go into your eLearn gradebook. If you want it to go ahead and go into your eLearn gradebook, you'll leave this item checked. If not, you can deselect it, and this allows you to create the link, but doesn't set up the gradebook link. And we'll go ahead and add the apply assignment, and we'll add the quiz. You would also be able to add in any other resources that you may have added into MindTap. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Confirm Selections. We'll hit Save. And now if I open up my Chapter 1 resources, you'll see here's the link to all of the items that we just added. To launch, I can't actually launch within my course builder view, so I'm just going to navigate back to content. And now if I go into my Chapter 1 resources, I can click the link. And MindTap opens to take the student to that particular resource. As a reminder, our eLearn integration allows for seamless access for instructors and students. Log into eLearn and have access to your Cengage Learning content without the need to log into a separate account or remember a separate username or password. Our eLearn integration also allows for the ability to create easy direct links to specific Cengage Learning content items. We know that students are navigating through many platforms, and this eliminates the need for students to learn how to navigate through MindTap or a similar Cengage Learning platform. Lastly, our integration allows for automatic gradebook synchronization. All you need to do is indicate the items that you want to be graded and added to your eLearn gradebook, and the scores will automatically port into the eLearn gradebook. This allows for you to manage just one gradebook and also allows students to have an accurate picture of their grade at any time throughout the course.